It's your girl Jhordyn.
Was off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. Alright, so you can tell by the title of this video what we're here for. We're here to watch me unbox and review whatever lot I got out of the Nike X Off-White collaboration called V50. So if you know me, you follow me on social media, especially my Instagram account, you know that I be taking L's off of sneakers, okay? Sneakers does not like to show your girl love, and I was trying super hard in the time frame that these were dropping to make sure that I was on the app, I was using it consistently, I was engaging with the content because I really wanted my Aleli May 14s. I have not secured that shoe, but at this point, the resale is not too terrible for my personal budget. I'm not gonna speak on nobody else's, but for mine, I could personally probably do it right now. And the price keeps dropping on Go, so I'm probably gonna get those just because I really wanted that shoe. Besides the point, I took the L on every single shoe I went for in August, including the Aleli May 14s. The same day that I took the L on Aleli May shoe, because that was the main shoe that I really wanted, I was like, bro, I'm going back to Vans. I'm wearing Vans because sneakers is playing me. Not even 10 minutes after I made that comment, I get a notification on sneakers talking about exclusive access. When I tell y'all I grabbed my phone so fast because I was just scrolling and it said exclusive access to the Off-White Dunks, I was like I truly don't think I've ever reacted that fast to a notification. But if y'all know me, you know I don't like long introductions, so go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'm ready to open these joints up and see which lot I got. Let's get into it. So the box has not been tampered with. When I tell y'all I'm low-key fearing for my life because I've been hearing so many bad things about Nike lately. I'm just gonna talk as I unbox this, by the way. I've been hearing a lot of bad things. This is why I can't be trusted with sharp objects. I've been hearing a lot of horror stories about Nike and how they're either sending the wrong shoe or people from FedEx or UPS are just straight up stealing them because the packages are already open when they arrive, or they just never arrive, you know? So I was quite terrified to get these, and I wanted to be sure that I was here for my package so nobody could snatch it off the porch, because Nike just has to wrap it in Just Do It tape to expose the whole situation. And people be knowing what times these shoes drop. People's shoes have been getting snatched, and if your shoes get snatched, I hope that you get your pair still and Nike can resolve the problem, because that's terrible. It looks like an Off-White box, so we're doing good so far. It is definitely an Off-White box. We are doing good so far. Y'all, I was so scared, it's not even funny. This is the box that we have. It says Nike Team. I'll probably give you guys a close-up because I'm not about to stand right now. But it says Team, Nike Sportswear, location, Beaverton, Oregon, style number, blah, 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 season. It is the Off-White box. I got a size 6 in men's, 7.5 women's. My heart is racing, y'all. It is racing. I'm scared. Okay, so this is the wrapping paper we got going on. I'm trying to give you guys a review while also just trying to figure out which lot I got because I still can't even see the shoe through the wrapping paper. So the wrapping paper is kind of a bright fluorescent orange. It says Off-White all over the place with their logo. So you peel that back, you have regular white tissue. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Please. I got lot 8 out of 50. Whoa, I was not expecting that. I didn't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that. So I got lot 8 out of 50. Okay, period. They have the lime green overlacing and the tongue is kind of deconstructed with the hole in it. I'm definitely gonna have to give you guys better angles of the shoe. I was scared it was gonna be one of the ones that I didn't really like. Ugh, child, the sense of relief. The shoes are out of the bag. We have now confirmed that I have lot 8 out of 50, okay? It also says lot 8 of 50 on the box. This is crazy, y'all. It's my first pair of off-whites. I don't even know what to say. I'm a little bit sad. It's not the suede ones, but it's okay because I do like this colorway. I determined that I did like colorway 8. So with that being said, all of the white parts of the shoe except for the very, very top is canvas material and the rest is leather. I'm gonna get better angles and do a picture-in-picture, but just for the sake of the video and unboxing purposes, you'll see that it has the silver metallic writing on the sides and it says where it was made. So Beaverton, Oregon, Nike Dunk, Off-White for Nike. It also has the little tag on the tongue, the Nike. And like I said earlier, the tongue is deconstructed. It has the hole in the middle. The laces themselves say shoelaces. It's just so crazy how Off-White actually goes into their construction and into the design of the shoe. And I'm surprised because the resale on these is not as bad as I was expecting it to be. But hey, I don't have any intention of reselling them. So Sneakers app, if you see this, keep blessing me, please. I am a genuine customer and I wear my for real. So that was the unboxing portion of the video, my first impressions, all of that. Now to give you guys a review as far as the quality. The first impression that I have is that this dunk is heavy. Most of my dunks, because I have dunk lows and I have dunk highs. The dunks that I already have don't feel this heavy. It does still have the tissue on the inside, so I guess I should take that out. The shoe feels a little bit heavier than the average dunk, so that's pretty nice. That's pretty legit. It has the kind of burgundy / maroon tag, and as you see, lot 8 out of 50 on the bottom. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys better angles because I want you guys to get the full effect of the shoe. The laces, at first they seemed like they were a little bit off-whitish, no pun intended, but they actually seem like they're a pretty true white color. And as I said, the toe box and the rest of the shoe by the swoosh and up here at the top of the shoe, except for where you insert your foot, is all canvas. This top part is leather and the gray part is leather. And it feels really soft. I'm kind of just observing the shoe. There is a little scuff on my shit already, but you know, Nike's quality has been playing games for a little while now, so I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm surprised. I'm not saying that to critique the shoe because y'all know I'm gonna wear the shoe regardless, and that's just that. I'm kind of feeling these, y'all. At first I opened the box and I was like, but then I started looking some more and I'm like, I could really do some things with this shoe. The quality definitely checks out for me though. I definitely am happy. I'm just glad I secured this. I don't know how I secured this, but it looks like a lot of real people are actually able to secure these shoes. So that's pretty lit. And another thing I forgot to mention about the shoe, there is this little orange heel tab thingy. I don't know what this is here for, but it is there on both of the shoes. This is my first actual sneaker review, so I don't know what else I should go in depth on because I don't like to sit here and dissect the entire shoe. I'm just showing y'all my live reaction and my unboxing and my first impressions about it. It feels like it's nice and heavy. It has this canvas material instead of leather. So what I know is that this canvas in the toe box is probably not going to crease because I have said this in previous videos. All of my dunk lows that are from 2021 crease as soon as you put the on your foot. And all of my sneaker sisters on Instagram will probably vouch and say the same. The quality Nike is just not there. So that's one good thing I can definitely say about this shoe. I'm not going to be having that same creasing issue. I don't know about the leather on the side, but regardless, it's gonna have some creasing for sure, especially depending on how you insert your foot into the shoe, but I don't ever choke my laces out, so I don't think I'll have that problem. But yeah, y'all, drop a comment and let me know what you think about lot number 8. Also, if you've been watching other people's reviews and unboxing to see what lots they copped, let me know what lot is your favorite that you've seen so far. Or if you actually went through and saw all of the options, let me know what lot you actually think is your favorite. Make sure that you drop a comment and let me know what you think about lot number 8. Let me know what you think about the shoe period. Let me know what you think about my first impressions and all of that. Just leave a comment down below. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram so you can see how I eventually style these. I probably am going to wait because I want to pull them out for a good occasion and not just for no reason. I think that I'm done rambling. I'm about to just get this thumbnail real quick and let that be the reason. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know what you want from my reviews in the future, if I should go more in depth, if I should keep it this super realistic Jhordyn way, because this is how Jhordyn just processes things and goes over things, and let that be that. As I have said for the millionth time, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about lot number 8. Let me know what your favorite lot is that you've seen so far, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Other than that, give the video a thumbs up, and I think that's it. Bye, y'all.